guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I went through my makeup and I made a little box with makeup that I no longer want. And before it gets super dusty in the corner of my room, I kind of had the idea to just show you what I'm getting rid of. Most of these are going to my sisters. Some of them I'm probably throwing them away because, you know, expiration dates. And some, there's just, you know, things have happened in the last, I don't know, like 3 years. I'm talking about drama. Why is there drama in the beauty community? Why is there drama in the beauty community? Like, come on, dude. It's so exhausting, you know, watching it happen, getting invested in some people. And it's just a huge disappointment. Let me just be real for 1 second. I feel like I try to avoid getting on my channel and like talking negatively about anything, because if you're anything like me, I go to YouTube to escape the real world. And when I feel like I can't even do that in my own community, aka the beauty community, I know there's a problem. We're gonna be talking about lots of different things on this video. If you don't like drama, you can totally just skip over this video. I have posted around 10 videos up till now. I think this is number 10. Maybe when I held up this box, you already saw this mirror. I was obsessed with this mirror, and I feel like I'm gonna give it away. I was obsessed with this launch, and now it just seems like, wait, what happened? It's such a beautiful mirror. It's like so big and so awesome. I love that it's a pig, and it feels morally wrong to have this in my collection, especially because I have no need to use this mirror. Anyway, the next thing I'm gonna show you is my Chanel Bronze Universal Bronzing Makeup Base, the Soleil Tan de Chanel. This is my exact shade of skin. So this doesn't show up on me at all. I try to lie to myself. It smells amazing. I try to lie to myself and tell myself, yeah, it's there, I see it, and it's not. So I feel like my sister Eileen, especially since she's about to get married, she is going to get lots more use out of this, maybe for pictures or anything like that. So it's beautiful, I love it, smells amazing, but it's gonna go to a better home, someone that can actually enjoy this. But I am throwing away these little contour sticks. They are literally so useless. I don't like them, and I think these are like way too old. I found these deep in my drawers. These I thought I had already thrown away. Turns out I hadn't. So I just wanted to show you real quick that these are going in the trash. This one, again, I found deep down in my drawers. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Eden. I used to love this stuff. Wow, it's not dried out, but I'm throwing it away because I don't even remember when I bought this. I don't even know if they still make these. Probably not. Oh my god, who remembers when these used to be like in the shape of actual potions? I used to love that. I used to want one, but I could only afford them until they made them in this shape. So, but like I said, I don't remember when I got this, and I'm not trying to get an eye infection. What else do we have in here? I have a Milani lip liner in True Red. I have so many Kylie Cosmetics lip liners that I feel like somebody else can get a really good use out of this one, and they're really good. I bought these 3 things back when they came out. These are the Jeffree Star concealers and a powder. This is in the shade Translucent, and this is so cheaply made. By the way, this took no afterthought. All the money went into this packaging, which I love. I love this packaging. I don't even use these, and these are like already peeling off. Anyway, so I remember trying these out. I was super excited about it, had super high expectations, and it flopped. I made the intro to my review video. I wore it to the mall that day, and I kid you not, I looked crazy. I went into the Sephora at the Houston Galleria, and I saw myself in the mirror, and I was like, what is happening? with my concealer and my powder. It just, I took so many of their cotton rounds and makeup remover to try to remove this in store, because I just saw myself, and I think it was like cracking and peeling, and it's just, it wasn't good. So then I got home and I finished the video, but I never posted it. Why? Because I have already posted, I believe, like 1 or 2 videos where I test out Jeffree Cosmetics, because a lot of people would request them on my channel. So I'm like, okay, cool, I would do it. The 1 or 2 times I had something bad to say, and it would be like the minor, like a super minor thing, and people would come at me in the comment section. From what I tested out from Jeffree Cosmetics, which I will no longer be purchasing from that brand, it's very hit and miss. I'm tossing these out. I didn't like them, and I don't want to pass something on that I don't like. Anything I give away to somebody is stuff that I like, or if they want to try it for themselves, they can, you know, go ahead and take them. But yeah, so this video never made it onto my channel, but there it is. There's my little mini rant and review of this brand and these products, but these really sucked. Yeah, this is another one that sucked. I really don't reach for these lipsticks, so there's no reason for me to keep them around. This is the Shane Dawson collab with Jeffree Star, and this is just the Strawberry Crush liquid lipstick by Jeffree Star. I think it was in a summer release, I believe like 2 years ago. I don't reach for it. Maybe somebody else would want it. If nobody wants it, I'm just gonna throw it away or just keep it. I don't know, because I feel like I can keep lipstick a little longer. I don't buy new lipsticks for that reason, because I don't reach for anything else other than Kylie Cosmetics. I mostly reach for those because they are great quality. Like, I really enjoy using those, and I just have so many. I have too many. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, but these were in this pile. I will let my sisters see if they want them. Horrible foundation. Another review that never made it on my channel was this foundation. It was cakey. It was not right. Maybe I just didn't use it right, but after that day, I never used it again. And again, that review never made it out to my channel. I probably should have. Sometimes when I'm filming a video and if I'm not enjoying what I'm putting on my face, I literally like just stop. I'm like, no. But maybe those are like the videos that I need to be posting. Even if the video doesn't turn out as I think it's going to turn out, I feel like I should still post it, but I'm working on that. My sister Eileen tried to use it recently. It was too dark for her skin tone, for one, but she says she loved this foundation. I feel like I want to keep this just to give it another try and maybe try to post that review video. But if not, it can just go to her and she can buy a lighter concealer and she can make it work. You know what I mean? Because this wasn't cheap either. This, I kind of don't want to let this go. This is the Tarte Blush Palette. Oh, it's always so hard to open it. When I first purchased this is the only thing I would use, and I did not hit pan on any of them. 3 right here were my faves, and these 3 right here were my faves. I didn't really like the highlights in here, but kind of just want to keep it as a time capsule because I don't know, like, this is so beautiful. Like, I love this. Stuff like this makes me so happy. All of these Morphe 2 things, yeah, I'm tossing out. For the exception of like one, I think. This is a brow thing and I believe a tinted lip balm. It's most likely gonna be Amalia wanting to try this stuff out. Yeah, the Morphe 2 stuff was, check out that video if you want more info on the Morphe 2, but yeah, most of it was not good. Oh my god. I feel like I'm getting into nostalgic era here. For starters, okay, I know I have way more of these Kat Von D liquid lipsticks somewhere. I feel like the entire collection. The very first one I tried though, no, was the black one? No, it was this one. This one's called Damned. This is a brown liquid lipstick. These liquid lipsticks is what started my liquid lipstick obsession, that when Kylie Cosmetics came out, I bought them all because I was so obsessed with these, but these were so drying. I don't even know how and why I would wear these because they were so uncomfortable, but I loved the opacity and how they just stayed on your lips, but they would dry out my lips so bad. I feel like I didn't know how to apply them as well. These are so like, maybe like 2014, 2015. These are like 5-6 years old. I should probably be scared of these, but let me smell. No, I think this one's newer. This is a Lolita shade. I bought it with the Lolita palette. No, this one's fine. This one's fine. I'm not throwing this away. No, 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 no. But these two, this is a black one. I used to be obsessed with wearing this black one. They smell fine. And they're not dried out at all. I think these need to go in the trash. Or maybe I should just keep them because they have such fond memories. Oh, I don't know. I might just keep them. Just in like I said, like in a time capsule. Another Kat Von D product is the Shade and Light palette. This was used and abused. I went through, I believe, like 4 or 5 of these Shade and Light palettes. I could not live without this. What if I make, I know I've seen these videos before. What if I make a video with using old makeup products before I throw some of this stuff away? Oh my God. Should I even risk my skin like that? I would legit wash it off immediately. That kind of scares me, but just to test these products out one last time, I think I would be down to do it. Is that a video idea? What do you guys think? This video is already getting super long, so I think I'm gonna cut it there. I was gonna talk about these right here. Can you guys see? A stack of palettes. So I was going through my makeup collection, my drawers, and I had a whole drawer of canceled eye palettes. But I think I'm gonna leave that to its own video. So stay tuned. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.